For a monthly fee, you can run payroll right from within QuickBooks. Before you do that, though, you have to turn it on. To turn on and activate payroll and subscribe to a service, select Employees from the top menu. You'll notice that this list is pretty small right now. However, hover your mouse over Payroll. And from here, you can either choose Turn on Payroll in QuickBooks, Payroll Done for You, or Order Payroll Service. They go to similar screens where you can get a phone number for more information or choose a plan that works for you. Now, some of these screenshots may look a little different to you as this is a website, and Intuit, the makers of QuickBooks, might change the way this looks over time. But this will bring up the online subscription dialog in QuickBooks in which you can choose the right payroll option. You can scroll down in the browser and look at some pricing and some features, and when you're ready, you can try it for free. I'm going to click the X to close out of this. In fact, I'm going to close out of the entire company file, and I'm going to open up one of the sample company files that has payroll all set up and ready to go. If you don't see the sample product-based business in this main menu, it's also located within the sample file dropdown. I'm going to open the sample company file. In this sample company, when I click Employees, you'll notice that this list is a lot larger because payroll has already been activated in this company file. What you'll need to do to get started is click Payroll Setup down near the bottom. This is going to load up a questionnaire that you can answer about how you intend to pay your employees. For example, what kind of compensation they get and what kind of benefits you give them. It's very important that you go through this payroll setup. To get started, click Continue on the bottom right-hand side of the dialog box. Click Continue one more time. The first thing you'll need to review is how you compensate your employees. For example, are they paid hourly? Are they salaried? Do they have bonuses? And do you give them mileage reimbursements? You can also click Add New at the bottom to add any new reimbursement items. I'll click Continue here. And then I'll click Continue one more time on the Employee Benefits area. This is where you can tell them any benefits that you give your employees. It's going to build a list of default payroll items. I'm going to click Finish Later on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up additional items if you weren't sure how to answer this questionnaire the first time around. I'll click OK in the Finish Later box. But for now, you've turned on payroll, you've completed the questionnaire, and so you're well on your way.